Hi everyone. Today our topic is our topic, how to run Jmeter load test in CMD non-GUI mode, distributed load testing or remote testing, Apache Jmeter tool. Okay, simply you need to say run the Jmeter load testing non-GUI mode in distributed method. Okay, how you need to perform this one? Okay, first of all I will show you one architecture how I need to do that one. Example, non-GUI mode, distributed architecture. Okay, you can go to images now, you will come the better. Yeah, you can take this one, you can directly open. Yeah, you can see this is the way will work to the master slave systems. Okay, example, just a minute, you can go to the master mission. Okay, you can take any one IP address 192.168.1.20. This is my master mission. After slave mission 1, I will take any another example 192.168.1.21. After slave mission 2, just same password, same only 192.168.1.22. After slave mission 3, 192.168.1.23. slave mission 4, 192.168.1.24. Okay guys, this is the mission structures, how we need to execute the test also. Okay, you can see example, this is a one master mission. The master mission IP address, this one 192.168.1.20 is the master mission, and this is the slave 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 slave missions, one master mission. What is the meaning of master mission? This master mission, you have a full admin rights, means read, write, delete options also available. That master mission, you have full access. Okay, that is the master mission. And the second one, which mission you are performing to the means given to the your scripts, given to the user load, and which mission based to you need to perform the all the test. That is the master mission. Okay, that mission only will consider to the master mission. Otherwise, you which mission you are working in front of the mission, you need to do this all the settings na. That mission only master mission. Remaining missions, which missions is available in remotely and you need to use it to generate the load, that missions is slave missions. Okay, our testing purpose I will take to the one master, remaining 4 slaves. Okay, just for explanation only. Okay, this is the master, this is the slaves, 4 slave missions. That is only same architecture. You can see this is the master mission. Master means Jmeter GUI. This is the IP address. Okay. The engineer or performance tester will sit and work to the this mission place. After these three missions, okay, these three missions, what you need to do now? These three missions is a slave missions. It's available in different locations. Okay, these missions available different locations, and you need to give into the instruction to Jmeter, and the control given to the master mission only and perform the load, and master mission will perform the load, and the same time slave missions also perform the load. And what is our target? Target is server. Which application you tested? You testing application means that is not for the application testing, that is a server under performance testing. Okay, you did not test any application side. Okay, the application is deployed to the server. You are testing everything server only. Example, that much of load, how the server will behave. He will able to give the response. Once able to give the response, how much time will be taken. It's not able to give in. Otherwise, anything will be crashed. Otherwise, anything will be struck. These are the issues. Find outing purpose only will run the performance test. Okay, and master mission and slave mission, all the user request will be generated and send it to the server and get the response and find out the issues. This is the our aim, and this is the way only the architecture will be work. Okay, master slave systems. After there is a some prerequisites. Prerequisites. Okay, first one. Okay, high configuration master and slave missions. Okay, high configuration of master and slave missions. Okay, that is your wish. Desktop computers or laptops or cloud providers, cloud missions. Okay, that is your wish. You need to provide desktop computers, laptops or cloud missions also you have to provide. Example, cloud missions or VM also. Okay, you can take anything, no problem. Second one, same operating system, all the missions. Okay, why I will mention same operating system in all the missions na? I have already tried to tested one time to the Windows 10 and Windows 7 and Windows XP, but in running from the distributed load testing na, you will facing some issue. The OS is not able to accept to the need to run for the distributed mode. Okay, yes, Windows 7 is working, but XP it did not work. Service pack 1 I will installed, but it did not work that one. Okay, that reason it's just my suggestion. Everyone in 2022, everyone will using most of the time Windows 10 operating system only. Okay, some people it's very interested, and I am also very like for Windows 7 only. Okay, you can use Windows 7 only. Oh, what I am saying now, in this testing you need to use only Windows 7 for all the computers, good. Only Windows 7 it's good. Otherwise means Windows 7 and Windows 10 will be given, that is a problem. Okay, you can use mostly suggestion Windows 10 only. Windows 10 OS you need to install all the missions. After third point is same version of Java. Same version of Java installed all missions. Okay, you need to install the same version of Java installed all the missions. Okay, how you need to find out now? First of all, you need to open the go to search bar and type the CMD. Need to open the CMD. It's very simple. You can type the Java space hyphen version. You can see Java space hyphen version. You can type na. It's automatically will showing Java version. I installed 1.8. Okay, and Jmeter 5.4 version. Java 8 will be installed now. It's very perfectly will work without any issues. You also tried this one, and all the computers also master and slave missions you need to install same version of Java only. Okay. Okay, this is the command Java space hyphen version. Java version 1.8. Okay, these are the things will be displayed after. Same version of Jmeter installed all the missions. Okay, in all the missions you need to install the same version of Jmeter. Jmeter installed all the missions same version. It's a very important. Example, my Jmeter is, you can see Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. Okay, same Jmeter only you need to install to the in all the missions, master and slave missions, in same version only installed. Okay, these are the minimum prerequisites to the in distributed testing. Okay, once this work everything will be completed, you need to first of all you need to open the Jmeter. You can open the Jmeter, go to until bin directory. In bin folder, what you need to do now, first of all you need to find out the IP address of the system. IP address means in Windows computer you can type the IP config. You can see the command is IP config. Okay. It is finding IP address Windows. Okay, this is the IP address guys for Windows. Mac computers. Okay, IP address Mac or Linux na. This is the Windows or IF config. Same only, it's a little bit different. I will developing that way only will doing. You need to take the Windows based only develop to the Mac also. Okay, that reason this is the IF config, IF config for Linux and Mac. Okay, and I will show you how we need to get that IP address. Okay, IP config now, just click on enter. You will came. This is our IP address. You need to take this is the IP address. Okay. This is our IP address. You need to take this 192.168.137.1. This is my personal computer I am using. Okay, one mission only, not for more than. Okay, once you need to get the IP address, after you can go to the Jmeter bin folder. Jmeter bin folder. Okay, in Jmeter bin folder, what you need to do now, go to the Jmeter properties. You can check this side now. There is a properties file. It's a HC parameters is not there. And go down. These are report generators. It's not one. Just a minute. I will find out that one. Okay, there is a file. You can see. Okay, this is the properties file. Jmeter. Okay, you can go to the Jmeter properties file. You can type the Jmeter.properties. You can see that name. Jmeter.properties will become. Okay, otherwise you will get this way, Jmeter properties file. You need to open this file, expand this one, go to the, press the Control F. Okay, you can type the remote host and you click on find now. You will find out that one. You can see guys, this is the main file in remote host. In remote host and RMI configuration. What is this RMI means? It's a remote testing purpose only. The technical terminology will called in Java. Okay, who are the people you know for the Java? That people only know how we need to develop to the remote host and RMI configurations. Okay, under you can see by default this methods is available. Remote underscore host is equal to 127.0.0.1. Okay, after you need to copy this one without hash. Hash means it's not working. It's a commented in Jmeter files point of view. You can take the remote underscore host, comma, remote underscore host is equal to, you need to provide the my computer IP address. I am already provided 192.168.137. Okay, you need to provide the multiple slave missions. What you need to do now, given the comma and second it totally will came. I need this one only. Okay, after you need to provide the comma, you need to provide. Okay, this way, first one comma, second one comma, third one you need to provide. This is the way only you need to provide the multiple IP addresses. Means first one is the master mission. After slave 1, 2, 3, 4 you need to provide. Denoted the comma only. Okay, I am only one mission now. I will take my mission only. It's not, I am not taking any other things. Okay, after generally how we need to work now, the remote underscore host is equal to local host. Local host means IP address colon. The port number is 1099. Jmeter by default will provide 1099. Okay, default port number is 1099. He will provide it, but you not required. You need to run this port number now. That time what you need to do now, you can go to the go down. I will show you that one how to disable that one. Yeah, you can see both I will commented. Example, you need to use the port number. Set this if you do not want to use SSL and RMI. SSL means is the security and port level. Server dot RMI dot SSL is equal to SSL dot disable is equal to false. Okay, disable is equal to false. You will provided that time you need to use the port number. Okay, without port number it did not work running to the remote testing or GUI mode or non-GUI mode. Otherwise, server.rmi.ssl.disable is equal true will provided na, the disable is true. That time it's not required any port number. You directly without port number just you can give the your IP address and you need to perform your test. Okay, that is the way you can use. You not required both are just you can comment it out. That's all. Okay, by default in Jmeter this one is automatically it's activated only. Server.rmi.ssl.disable is equal false. Okay, you need to comment it na, it did not work. Okay, this is the main setup you need to do. Okay, this remote configuration setup once will be done. Okay, remote configuration setup will be done. Just you need to save the file one more time and you need to close it. Once this work will be done, after create the RMI configuration. Setting the Keystore configuration. Setting the Keystore configuration. How you need to do now? Example, you can go to the in bin directory. In bin directory, what will happen now? You will run the test. It's a command mode or not GUI or non-GUI mode. You will showing some error. Okay, the error is you can go to okay, you can see Jmeter distributor testing java.io. File not found exception RMI keystore.jks. No such file or directory. This error will be came. Okay, that time what you can see before I will provide another server.rmi.ssl.disable is equal true workaround. This one you already set up. Okay, once this one will be set up also sometime this issue will be came. That time what you need to do now, how you need to solve this issue. Okay, first of all you need to go to the your bin directory. You can see there is a batch file, window batch file. I will take that copy also. Yeah, create RMI keystore. Create RMI keystore. I will mention to that one. Create RMI dot keystore dot bat. It's a window batch file na dot bat. You will run this one. How you need to what you need to do? You need to solve that issues. You can go to the Jmeter user manual. It's a very important one. In user manual, you can take this remote testing. In remote testing, guys, it's a very important point. You can go that one. Yeah, you can see this is the 13.1 setting of SSL. Okay, you can see the clearly mentioned this all the things you need to read that one. Now there is no that much time, but I will read. The simplest setup is to use one key certificate pair for all Jmeter servers and clients you want to connect. Jmeter comes with a script generated keystore that contain one key and its corresponding to certificate named RMI. It's a important point, guys. RMI. Okay. The script is located in the bin directory and available in Windows system called bin create RMI keystore.bat. I am already shown this one. The Unix like system called bin create RMI keystore.sh. It will be generated a key pair that is valid in 7 days with the default passphrase of value. Change it. Passphrase means, okay, it's a grammatical English grammatical level will be using higher level. It's a password. Okay, change it is the password. It is advised to call it from the inside the bin directory. When you run the script, it will ask some questions about some names. It will be embedded in the certificate. You can type whatever you want as long Keystore tool accept it. That value has matched the properties server.rmi.ssl.keystore.alias which default to RMI. A simple session to create the keystore is shown below. Okay. The default settings for RMI should work with this setup. Copy of the file bin RMI underscore keystore dot jks to every Jmeter server and client you want to use your distributor testing setup. Okay, the people what he said now. Once you need to run the go to bin directory in window computer, create RMI keystore.bat file, double click and you need to open this one. Once is open, he asking some questions. First he will ask this one. Example, this one will running to the SH. Okay, SH means is a window Linux or Unix computers. Window also same only will working. Create RMI keystore.bat. You need to double click now will open. He asking what is your first and last name. You need to mandatory. You need to give the RMI. You did not give an RMI. You can provide any another things na. Sometime it did not work, otherwise you need to regenerate. There is a big problem. You can give the RMI. After, what is the name of your organization? You can give anything, no problem. What is the name of your organization? You can provide anything. What is the name of your city location? Your wish. What is the name of your state province? Your wish. After, what is two letter country? You can do anything. I will provide it. Below you will asking everything is right. You detailed provided. Yes. And below you will asking first password will asking. That time the password is this one. Change it. CHANGEIT. Mandatory need to type small letters only, otherwise is rejected. Change it and retype the password. Change it. 2 times will be typed now. It's done. Once will done, this RMI underscore keystore dot RMI underscore keystore dot JKS file will be generated. Now I will show you that one. Example, create RMI keystore window batch file. You can just double click na. We'll open this one. Yeah, I'm already created this one. That reason it did not open. Once you need to double click na, the command prompt will be open and you will ask the questions. Okay, you need to provide just the details, everything you will provide you need to run the distributed load testing. One valid certificate will be created in Jmeter point of view. Okay, how the Jmeter root CA certificate na same only distributed method one certificate will created. Okay, now the file will be generated. The JKS file na, so where is available? You can see. RMI underscore keystore.jks. This file will be generated. I am 2 days back only I generated this jks file. Okay, once you need to generate this file, yeah, you need to take this one .jks. Okay, what you need to do now? This file, you need to copy this file and go to this missions. First of all, master mission you generated. After this slave missions, example 1, 2, 3, these 3 slave missions you also pasted. Master mission and slave missions you need to paste it. Okay, that time only this missions also master mission controls or request will be taken, and based on the control everything is available in Jmeter. The request will be sent to the server. Now the server will be working as per your needs. Okay. Okay, this all the settings you will done. It's almost completed. There is no any other settings. Okay, once your settings will be done, now time is you need to open the Jmeter. Okay, seventh step is Jmeter script creation and set up the settings. Okay, yes, I open my Jmeter. This is my Jmeter. I need to prepare my script. Script already preparation will done. It's a very small script only. I will go to my parameterization. Yeah, I will give the script name is parameterization. You can see guys, it's a very simple script. In a test plan, I will select the run teardown thread group after shutdown main thread. On thread group, you will provided the 30 users. I will provided the 30 users. And settings is, this is only settings. Number of threads is 30. Ramp up period 10. Infinity. Specific thread lifetime is selected, and 1200 will be given duration. Okay, 1200 means is it 20 minutes will be run. And CSV dataset config e:username.txt, username and password. Example, I will show you that one also. Yeah, you can go to this one, username and password. This is the J2EE, J2EE 1, 2, 3. Just 4 username and passwords only I created, not more than. Okay. After I will select to this one file name e:username.txt. File encoding it's not given anything, and variable name is username password. Ignore first line. Yes, ignore in first line. First name I will provide username and password. That reason I will select the true. Delimiter will given comma only. Allow quoted data false. Recycle end of file true. Stop end of file false. Sharing mode all threads I will given. This is only format. Settings you need to done. Go to recording control, nothing. This is the scripts. I will open this one also. This is the request. I will provide the constant timer 1000 seconds, 1 second. Response assertion I will given to the main sample. Response code contains 200 I will given. It's a 200 will come only will pass. Header manager your requesting time will become. Remaining also same only. Timers and response time same I will provided. I will give into the view results tree and summary report and aggregate report, assertion results, simple data writer. I remove this one, it's not required. Okay. And HTTP test script recorder, your recording purpose you will use. This is only our script. Okay. Okay, which business flow I will take and I will show you that one also. Yeah, you can go to the Jmeter store demo application. The flow is just you need to launch the application, click on to the fish. Sorry, first of all you need to launch the application, click on sign in, give the username and password. Username is J2EE and password is J2EE. Okay. After click on to the fish, select the first product. After add to cart, proceed to checkout, continue, confirm. It's done. The total bill also will be showing. Now I need to sign out. Okay, this is only flow I will take in. Okay, script side everything is ready. Okay, now what I need to do now, first of all, okay, this Jmeter settings everything is done, Gauri. The configuration setup will be completed, script everything. Okay, now I will tell you how you need to run the distributor testing now in settings. You can see, first of all, you can set up to the high level hardware configuration, same OS, same Jmeter, same Java and JK files, Jmeter.properties file, all these setups, everything will be done. Okay, now what I need to do now, you need to run the test. In master mission only, you have available script. Remember, master mission only available script. No need to set up to the slave missions also script. It's not required. Master mission only script is available. Okay, you never taken to the slave mission script. Only master mission only script is available. That's all. And user load everything will be set up to the master mission only. No slave missions. Okay, you need to remember this point. After user load, how you need to work now, I will show you. You can go to the user manual. You can read, guys, one time, minimum one time you need to read now this user manual. You can understand how you need to work that one Jmeter. It's a very simple. You can take this point, remote testing. That in remote testing, you can go to the node. The same test plan is run by all servers. Jmeter does not distribute the load between servers. Each run the full test plan. So if you test 1000 threads and have 6 Jmeter servers, you end up injecting 6000. Means Jmeter 6 Jmeter servers means 6 missions. Okay, 6 missions as the laptops or desktops. 6 missions. You will master mission you set up to the 1000 users will executed the 6000 users. Okay, after you need to set up to the example, this is 3 missions, one is master. I will give into the Jmeter settings. Time duration is 1 hour. User load I will give in 100. That time the test is executed only 1 hour only. Okay, time is executed only 1 hour. And user load is this mission 100, this mission 100, this mission 100, this mission 100. Total 300, this one 400. 400 users will be executed. And script is available only master mission only. Slave mission is not available. You never given. Only master mission only you can give into the script. The settings everything will be done master mission only. After test data, remember guys, this is a very important point. Test data you need to provide the in Jmeter master mission. You set up put the test data in same location. Okay, in same location you need to set up to the all slave missions also. Same test data you need to set up. Without test data you never working. Okay. Okay. Test data only you need to set up to the slave missions. Okay. Script is available only master mission. These are the settings you need to done before. Okay. It's done. Now you need to go to the your Jmeter side. It's setups, everything you need to check one more time. Yeah, everything is done. There is no any issue. Now, first of all, you need to go to Jmeter bin folder, copy the path. Okay, you can go to this one. 8th point. Run the distributed load testing non-GUI mode or CMD. Okay. First of all, take the bin folder. Until bin folder path, I will take it. After I need script. Script where is available? In E folder only available. Example, you can see this is the folder. The folder is parameterization.jmx. You can take the, in your computers you can press the function button and F12. You can take it in HP computers. Otherwise, your general desktop computer, just press the F12 button. You can click and press the F12. You need to take that name. Okay, something different this one. You need to take the path also. E colon backward slash parameterization dot jmx. Okay, this one also will complete it. And now what I need to do now, you can take this copy. Okay, distributed load test dot csv. Okay, this is, I will give the name of the test. Same E folder only available. Okay, this is the location of the Jmeter bin folder, Jmeter script output file. Now you need to give the command. Where is available this command? How we need to run? You can go to the Jmeter user manual. You can go to this one, remote testing. Remote testing only will provide all the details. You can clearly observe. You can see you will provide it Jmeter capital R. Okay, small r is different. Small r means single mission will executed. Capital R means multiple missions distributed method. You need to execute the test. Jmeter space hyphen capital R. You need to provide the IP address comma and IP address comma. You need to provide that way. You can see this way will provide Jmeter hyphen n hyphen t location of the JMX hyphen capital R, and you need to provide the server 1 comma server 2 means IP address 1 comma IP address 2 comma. You need to provide that way. Okay, now I need to show you how you need to execute that all the things now. First of all, the command is Jmeter hyphen n hyphen t path of the you can just a minute. Jmeter hyphen n hyphen t location of the Jmeter script or JMX after hyphen L location of the result file. Location of the result file after close. After hyphen capital R. Remember guys, hyphen capital R. Hyphen capital R you need to provide the IP address, comma IP address. Okay, you need to provide the comma IP address. You need to provide first IP address, comma second one, comma third one, comma fourth one. You need to provide. Now our test only single test na, means it's my own computer only, that is only one IP address. And remember guys, this result file, there is a one format .csv file or .jtl file. You need to close. You can see the file is jmeter -n-t location of jmeter script or jmx-l location of the result file .csv file or .jtl file capital R IP address. You will provide the all the details now. Now you need to prepare the test. Okay, how we need to prepare na? This is the bin path. You need to take this one. First of all is the E folder. No, you can go to command prompt. You can open the command from this way. Type the E colon. You can type it. Come to the E folder. CD space. You can paste the name tag. You will come to the E Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 and 5.4.1 and bin folder will come. Now we need to prepare the final command. How we need to create na? First of all jmeter -n -t this is the important point guys. Location of the jmeter script na? This is the location of the jmeter script. After -l location of the result file guys, csv or jtl. I will give in the csv file, distributed load test. After remember guys, capital R. I need IP address. Where I need to take it? Yeah, this is my IP address. Okay, it's done. This is the command guys. First of all, what is the -n? Means it's denoted the non-GUI mode. You don't have any GUI. After -t means -t means location of jmeter script or JMX. -l means location of result file, that is CSV or JTL. Capital R remote distributed testing, multiple missions. Okay guys, this is the methods. -r means remote distributed testing, multiple missions. Okay, otherwise you can give the small r means remote testing single mission, but this is remote testing multiple missions. Okay, now everything is ready. Okay, I need to take this entire test guys. You can go to the my command prompt. It's already in bin folder. Now I will paste it. You can see it's a very simple only, but you need to understand how we need to work this all the things. You can practice 1 or 2 times now. You able to easily can do. First of all, jmeter -n-t path of the jmx -l path of the csv or jtl file. I will give in the csv capital R will provided and provide the my computer IP address. Okay guys, you can see now I need to start. Okay, And important point, this all missions are same network. Okay, all the missions same network only. Example, you are running from your practicing purpose. In your missions you take 2 3 missions, that time same Wi-Fi network na, that time the test will be successfully work. In computer, in company point of view, the missions is available different location. Example, I am the tester, I am working from India in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Missions available in US, one is Washington, New York, Dallas, Boston. Okay, these are the locations available na. That time what will happen na, you need to set up to the same network. How we need to set up the same network means, first of all you need to raise the one any snow request. Okay, yes, NOW, snow request. Every company is available. Otherwise, based on your company point of view, the request management team, anything different tool will be used. You need to learn that one, which request I need to raise. You need to mention to that mission in clearly detail will mention I need to run so on, so specific type of test. I need all the missions in same network and same port. Mostly you can mention to the same network. Okay, you need to raise the ticket properly. After anyone administrator team will be contact with you, that time you can clearly explain the details also, how we need to run the test, how we need to work. That time the people also same network will be mentioned. Okay, once the setup will be done, yeah, you will able to directly do. It's a MNC companies, everything is a different person is available and he will come and he will do it. In small companies, I am already working small companies also. Small companies, he will provide the access everything to you only. Okay, he no need to contact to administration team also. You have full access and you only set up everything. Means you only raise the ticket and you only you solve the ticket. Means your employee ID and your mail ID you have full read write everything access, but delete access is never provided. Okay guys. Okay, delete is separate story. It is a separate person also, that one admin side. Okay, this setup same network you need to provide. After you can go to the command prompt, everything is ready. Yes, now I need to start the test. Just hold on, you will load it. uh, just a minute guys, I need to check that one. Just a minute guys, I need to check for a way. I'm already configured, but something problem. Yes, I'm already provided this one. Remote host is equal to 192.168.137.1. Same only will came now 192.168.137.1. Yeah, 192, 168, 137.1 1. Okay. Okay guys, actually it's a failed means you configured right. I did not doing one important work. Okay. Okay. Run the Jmeter server. Okay guys, it's a very important topic. I missed this one. Okay, that reason only will asking. Run the Jmeter server before starting any test. You can go to the this master and slave mission now. In before starting any distributed non-GUI mode or GUI mode load testing, that time what you need to do now, you need to start the Jmeter server. There is a Jmeter server on bat file available in Windows machine, Linux or Mac computers. Jmeter server. There is a .sh file available. You need to run in Linux or Mac computers. Go to your terminal and you need to run that one. Go to that path and you need to run. If it's run. In Windows computers, it's not required. You need go to command prompt and you need to run. Otherwise, you need to directly go to double click and you need to run. That is the way you need to run. How we need to do now? Example, this master mission. Go to the Jmeter bin folder and go to Jmeter server.bat. Okay, I will mention that one also. Jmeter server.bat. That file you need to double click and you need to open. That time only the test will execute. First master mission you need to open. After slave missions, 3 slave missions you need to open. After only you need to run the test. Now that one successfully will be run. Okay, I will show you that one. I will go to the Jmeter bin folder. You need to check the Jmeter server. You can see there is a file Jmeter-server. You can take this one. Okay, Jmeter server, it's a window batch file from your it's a window computer. Okay, you can see there is a Jmeter server. It's showing file only, but this is Mac computer. We will showing .sh file will be showing. Okay, this is window computer. Now I did not showing. Okay, how we need to show this way? Jmeter.sh na same only Jmeter server.sh file will be showing. You can note down this one also. It's also important point. .bat file. Run the .bat file. Okay. Distributed test is running. Okay, distributed test is running. How we need to run that one? You can go to bin folder, Jmeter server. Just this is only one computer guys. This is only one only. That reason just I will open the test only my computer only. In your point of view, you can first of all go to master mission and you need to double click and you need to open. And the slave missions, double click and you need to open all the computers. Okay, master and all the slave computers, you need to open this one. Run the Jmeter server bat file. After you can go to your command prompt and run the test. Okay, you can see created remote object. Yeah, it's everything is activated now. Now you need to run the test. It's work. Yeah, you can go to your computer. Okay, just you can press the up arrow now, you will came. Now you need to run that one. Just a minute. Before running, you can go to E folder. Anything result file, anything will be generated now. No, he did not generated any result file. Yes, he did not generated. Now I need to go and start the test. Click on enter now. Yes, you can proceed that one. He will 100% will work now. There is no any issue. Okay, you how many issues you need to face? Any issues will become now. You can go to Google and you need to check. Google it's not available. Go to Bing. You need to check. That place also not available. You can go to any blogs, any websites, and go to YouTube channel, you need to check. Okay, you able to get the answer easily. Okay, yes guys, it started. How we need to find out this one? You can see once you given to the your command. Okay, after first creating summary will be started. Created the tree successfully using based on the script and what is the configurations you've done. After configuring remote engine, remember guys, example this is only single computer, that reason configuring remote engine, configuring remote engine, where is that one? This configuring remote engine 192.168.137.1. Okay, you have remaining missions also will be came configuring remote engine, same IP address 234. How many missions you have configured to slave mission? This is the master mission. Remaining everything slave missions, same method only will come. Configuring remote engine will become list. After you can see started distributed test with remote engine. This is the IP address. This is the Tuesday Jan. Okay, a general date will become today Tuesday only, January month. Date is 11th. Time is the test is started around 11 o'clock and 11 hours 11 minutes 41 seconds IST 2022. The test is started and he will came. This is summary normally will came. This is the hours, minutes, seconds. This is the throughput. This is the average time, minimum, maximum, errors, active threads. You can see active 30 threads, started 30, finished 0. Okay, just you can wait is running test and you can go to check the your test file is generated or not. Yeah, you can see distributed distributed load test file is already generated. Okay, just you can see, you can go to remote file now. You will see guys starting the test on host 192.168.137.1 Tuesday Jan 11 2022 11 hours 11 minutes 47 IST Indian time. Okay guys, its test is started. What you need to do now, just you need to monitor until completion of the test. Why I will show now this all the things you need to running from 20 minutes now. Okay, some people is facing some issues, okay, during test execution time. That reason only I will mention to 20 minutes some long duration. It's a useful only guys, you can watch one time. Just you can hold on everyone, its test is running. Just hold on everyone, it's 30 user load na, he will running slowly, will be executed that one. Okay, but test everything is working fine, there is no any issues until now. You can wait any issues, anything will be came, or how you need to work that one. Okay, and the same time, in test execution time in master and slave missions, you can go to your task bar. Okay, you need to open the task manager. Okay, you can go to the task manager, go to performance tab. Okay, in performance tab, you need to check how much of CPU utilization. You can see it's 100%. Okay, my computer is, it's a low configuration only, it's a 4 GB only. Your CPU totally 100%, it's a bad. But this is just for demo test, na? Just I will run it. After I will clear the all the temp files, everything I cleared, na? It's everything is normal. Memory also, it's a 95%. It's also bad. Yeah, disk also will showing totally 100%. Okay, total. But it's running from 5%, 6%. That is HDD only. But disk point of view also, it's a very higher level will be utilized. Wi-Fi means it's a network. Means my Wi-Fi network is not that much good, but it's no problem, will running only 1 Mbps only will running the test. Okay, GPU it's a different one. Okay, you need CPU, memory, network, disk, you need to check. This is local computer. In your point of view, there are, you can go to the, in CPU now there are logical processors only 16, 8 to 16. That is a logical processor, multiple CPUs, sorry, multiple RAMs available, and there are so many sockets, so many core files available. Cache also very higher level. Means this is the, it's a general computers you need to use it. Okay, in company computers will be taken only for performance purpose only. It's, you need no need to running anything test. Means everything running to the test only, cloud only. Okay, you need to connect to some other client mission, na? That is everything remote, your computers everything, just performance is very important. You need to connect the all the systems everything. Okay, during the test only you need to check this all the computers and taken to the screenshots and sending to the your clients also. Okay, there during execution there is a very high level utilization and big noise will be came to the any some specific computer or semi specific load generators, you can show them. Okay, once you will accept it, you will change the any another system will be provided. He did not provide any system, just you can simply you can use your system only, you can use, that's all. Okay, still he did not showing, but test is running now. Okay, just wait, you don't do anything until completion of the 20 minutes. The reason it's a back end only will be executing all the things. You can see, you can click on anything now, he did not respond properly. The reason means the back end, the test is keep on running now, your machine is totally busy. He did not respond at anything that much of fastly. Okay, just you can wait and you need to see finally the test is successfully is working or not. Yeah, starting is successful, there is no any issue. But test execution time, now you need to show some every minute how many executed, but it did not showing. You can wait that one. He will came 100%. Just you need to hold on some time, be patient. You can go to E drive one time. You need to check this one. Okay, test only, read only mode. Okay, once the test will completed now, I will open that time only. Still it is not showing. Okay, out of the capacity of the system, users load will be executed. But don't worry guys, once the you don't need to interrupt this one. Once the 20 minutes will be done, it's automatically, example 11:11 will be started. 11:11 means 21, 31 minutes, time 31 will become, it's automatically will, the test is completed. Okay, nothing else. In test execution time, you will showing to the time duration will be showing, and throughput, average, minimum, maximum, error percentage, active users, stopped users, finished users, everything will be showing. And finally will become, once the test is completed, tidying up, they will come to the test is tidying up will become, that message once will become, and it will showing to the ending time. Example, now we need to show to the starting time, same only ending time will be showing. That's all. Actually my system is very low configuration. I will given to the 30 users now. I did not executed that one. Execution means executed, but it did not showing, just you can wait, but test is 100% will executed in backend. Just hold on some time, its test is completed, that one. Just you can wait remaining 2 minutes. Okay, it's already completed, but Sterling time is exceeding, but there is no any output now. That reason. Just remaining 1 minute. I need to wait. Can close this one. Only starting stage only. It did not come to the ending stage. Yeah, guys, it's already done, but it did not work to that one. Okay, it's out of capacity of the system. How you need to stop now? It did not stopping anything. You can see. Once you need to press the click on enter now, it will showing it's done. Okay. Actually, what will happen now? Everything you need to show, but it did not showing that one. You can go that one. Now it started. The starting time will become after you need to go to the ending. The test everything will be done. You can see final one. It totally running 23 minutes executed. Higher level load and the RAM up and RAM down both included. Na? Ramp up will be take around 2 minutes and ramp down will take only 1 minute only. I did not given any time for the random. 23 minutes will executed. After 9.6 is the average response time. Sorry, throughput is 9.6 seconds, but 15 16 will become, but roughly averagely will be taken now. 9.6 only will become last one. It's a top higher level throughput. 9.6 or 10, you can consider round of 10 TPS. Average is 0.3 seconds, minimum 0.1 second, maximum 5 seconds will become. Error response time 0, no errors. Okay, active 0, started 30, finished also 30. Okay, the test is completed, guys. This is the way the tree structure will be created. Until once you need to give this command, the tree structure this way will become. This is the starting time. After test will be executed one by one will become. You this tree did not come now. You can click on to the enter. Click on enter button. You will open. And the tidying up remote date time 35 it's completed. IST time 2022. This one will become. Okay, it's done. I will given to the 20 minutes of the duration and ramp up and ramp down will be take another 5 minutes extra and test is successfully completed. Okay, now we need to go to the remote server. You can see starting test host and date and time will be showing. Finished the test on host mission and date and time will be showing. 11:11 will be started, 11:35 will ended. Okay, once the test everything will be completed now, in our target point of view, distributed Jmeter remote non-GUI load testing successfully completed with multiple missions. Okay, it's done. Now you need to check the reporting time. Go to E folder, distributed load test. This is the CSV file you need to open. Okay guys, this is the report with name is distributed load test. This is the test will be came. You need to check all the parameters. Okay, how your test will be executed, all the things. And I will show you one small thing. You can press the Control Shift L will be pressed and the combo box will be generated. Now I need to check the success rate. Click on to the success. Only true only available. There is no any failure. There is no any issues now. Will successfully executing the test. There is no any issue. But you need to anything. You can check to the response. You have a 302 also available. You can check how many 302 will be came. And you need to check to the how many 200 will be came. How many 200. Okay, that is the way you need to check it. And total transaction counts you need to provide, response minimum, maximum, average you need to provide, total transaction count, how many pass, how many failed, what is the errors, which IP mission will be used, how many success, how many failure, no, it's a blank. Okay, sent and receive bytes and URLs, latencies, okay, connection timeouts, all the issues you need to report it to the in your final test report. Okay, I will show you guys next next time. I will, this is already timeout around 1 hour above. Okay, my next videos I will show to the how to generate the reports in non-GUI mode, and the same time how we need to prepare the reports through Excel sheets, and what are the Word documents will be prepared, how to prepare the test mail to send to the clients. All the details I will show you. Means who are the people in newly started career from performance testers, na? Some little bit useful, that reason I will create it. Okay, it's a done our target. Okay guys, our target is how to run Jmeter load test in CMD, non-GUI mode, distributed load testing, remote testing, Apache Jmeter. Okay, it's successfully completed. Okay, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the my next video. I will show you how to generate the reports in non-GUI mode. Okay, thank you very much for everyone for your support. Thanks a lot. Bye.